Today's house we love is new on the market. We don't normally feature apartments or condos, but this one is truly exceptional, and it's on the market for an incredible €55,000. This 130 square metre home is technically a condominium and is located in a 4-family building. The community fees are just €25 a month. There are 2 proper bedrooms and a spacious attic, which can be used as a sleeping area for guests. It was completely renovated in 2003 and is in excellent move-in ready condition. It's located in the beautiful town of Piave di Garessi in the region of Piedmont, which is very near Liguria and the Ligurian coast. There's so much to love about this house, but the best is probably the roof terrace with stunning panoramic views of the rooftops, basilica, and surrounding hills. This one might not last long on the market, so if you'd like to see the Realtor's original listing and contact information, please see the video notes below. Thanks for watching, sharing and liking. And a warm welcome to all of our new subscribers. We hope you enjoy the homes we find and share, which are for sale in Italy for under €150,000.